Alright, it is right before 5 a.m. We got up to go up to Cadillac Mountain to see the sunrise. So we're getting ready to head up there right now.
Oh my gosh. So we're up on the mountain now. We're just parked and we have the car off and like all the lights are off and it's like pitch black and you can just hear the wind.
Listen to the wind.
I don't know, you probably can't hear it, but it's actually so peaceful. Just waiting for the sun to come up. Sunrise is only literally just minutes away, like 6
Just
minutes.
4 minutes. What clock are you looking at?
I thought they said 6:47.
Oh yeah, okay.
So 5 minutes now. Yeah. So it's almost there, but it's really, really, really pretty. And it's here. The sunrise. Aww.
That's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
What do you think, Michael?
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
That is so pretty. That's really bright.
No,
If you go out in the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. If you...
Name that movie.
I bet 4 people have seen it.
And they're probably all under the age of 4.
Oh, no, it's a good movie. It's a beloved tale of a renegade bear and a
one-horned deer.
antler.
Antler, yes.
Okay, so we went up to Cadillac Mountain. We saw the sunrise. It was gorgeous, spectacular, grand sight. And now we are going to the, we're going to see if the gift shop's open here, but chances are it's probably not yet.
I think they said 9:30 and it's only like a little after 7:30 now, so.
We're such early risers, like, you know.
Definitely not. Ready? Ready?
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding?
That's definitely not it, but.
What in the world? Is that what?
Harbor Lighthouse?
Lighthouse, so it's actually on the complete other side.
There's like 2 islands, kind of.
Yeah, kind of like split up into 2, so we are here now, getting ready to take a look at it.
So we're out here at the Bass Harbor Lighthouse, and it's over there, but I guess you can't really see it. They have like a poster where like you can get the picture, like it looks like from down here, but I don't know. Alright, yeah, I went out there and I couldn't get a spot to get a shot, so oh well, I guess. Alright, I got some sweet drone shots.
I think it'll look really, really good.
Yeah, I just... There was a bunch of people and I had to try and land it in like the smallest little area that was flat.
It's like all these kind of rocks too.
Jeez. Oh well, I got it.
That was pretty though.
You are too.
You are too, Phil.
Alright, now we are heading to Dunkin Donuts to get coffee finally.
And a little pookie treat.
Yep.
It's a Halloween specialty this time of year.
It's probably sold out here.
Oh my gosh, what if it was?
It's anus.
We have held off for like 2 days for like the right moment. And it feels right today, so stay tuned.
It does. Just left Acadia, did all that, and we are now eating breakfast at 11:18. But we got spooky donut, spooky spider, spooky Oreo.
And our coffee. Move spider off.
Okay. How is it? Sweet? This is Oreo cream filled with Oreo crumbles.
So we went into Dunkin Donuts to get our little donut and coffee. And I had an older lady just go on all about my hair, how cute it was. And I don't really know if that's a good thing or a bad thing if older ladies are saying your hair looks cute. But anyways, now we are heading to Bangor.
Bangor, I hardly know her.
That's where we're headed. Michael, where are we?
Stephen King's house. Critically acclaimed author, Stephen King.
Which we just pulled up and he was
Yeah, he
actually
just left. We
just
just saw
leaving
him.
in the car. So
Like,
I did see him, which
Yeah,
was kind
that's
of
so cool.
But
Wicked sweet.
his house is actually really super cool. It's very like spooky looking with like the cobwebs and the gate and the little bats. And they said that last year he actually had a red balloon just kind of hung last year when it came out. So, but no, this is actually a pretty cool house.
Yeah, this is so cool.
What's your favorite book of his?
It.
Shut up.
We just got into New Hampshire a little bit ago, and we were getting ready to drive the road to Mount Washington. It's up there, and it's raining.
What'd you say yesterday? They had 99 miles per hour winds.
I don't know. That's what the website said, but who knows?
I don't know. It's kind of windy and cold, so it very well could be.
Here. Also, Travis Pastrana drove. See, I'm too close to my face.
And it's closed.
Okay, so we're not driving Mount Washington now. What the There's the sign. This car climbed Mount Washington.
Oh, this car did not.
See, there's the start. Alright, well, since we couldn't do Mount Washington, we got about an hour till sunset. So we're here in Echo Lake State Park in North Conway, New Hampshire, and getting ready to do the Cathedral's Ledge Trail that overlooks like Echo Lake and stuff. Okay, and this overlooks a big valley in the White Mountains. Alright, so we went up to the top of Cathedral Ledge, got some drone shots, met some cool people. I gained 2 new Instagram followers from it. Definitely they were interested in the drone shots and stuff, so that's kind of cool. But yep, we're gonna go back down. Sunset's here very soon, so
Like
Gonna-
a half hour.
yeah, we're running out of daylight quick, so heading back now. Okay, we checked into our hotel and
Now we are at the Sea Doll Dog Brewery Company.
Yep, Sea Dog Brewery. They're freaking closed.
No!
Oh, no, they're not. Okay, they're open.
Oh, they just are really dark inside.
Hey, that's racist. Okay, so we got 2 pub burgers, one with tots, one with fries. I can already tell it's so good. I haven't even tasted this yet, but I know it's good. And we got the nice cozy fireplace over there. About to dig in. Did you like it?
Yeah, I did.
Alright, well that was really good. We both got pub burgers. We are going to...
Pretzel bun was delicious.
Oh yeah, it was really good. But we're going to Walmart's and then head back to the hotel. Nothing better than some face masks by Yes2. Maybe when we get some more views and subscribers, maybe one day they'll sponsor us and we can wear their masks every single video.
While watching SpongeBob.
Yeah. Oh, watching SpongeBob. Is there anything better? But that'll do it for today. And tomorrow we got a big day again.
Tomorrow is the icing on the cake. I am
or
going
ice cream on the cake.
Or we are going to Ben & Jerry's factory to see how they make the ice cream and all the different flavors. So that is definitely the highlight of tomorrow for me.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go to Burton Snowboards, their flagship stores.
In the morning.
Ladies on the Minjay.